going on today, everybody? So, it's finally official. I made an appointment for the dyno. I don't know why, but I have been completely scared of this for the longest time. I don't know what it is about going to the dyno, but it just makes me nervous, because if something's broken, it's money and time that's going to be wasted. And I have to take a day off from work anyways, and if I waste that day, it's going to suck. So this weekend I'm going through the car with a fine-tooth comb, and I've got a lot of stuff to actually put on the car. Everything on this over here, I have to wait until I'm tuned to actually be able to use it. So in order to put them on the car, I have to have it tuned. But in order to tune the car, I have to drive it an hour south of my house. I was trying to get a trailer to be able to trailer it down there. That deal fell through, so I'm into the point where they're going to send me an actual limp mode type map to help me get down there. So each one of these is going to be a video coming up soon. I want to get as much of this installed as I can. Well, all this is going to be installed before the dyno, which is happening next week, but these will all be kind of separate videos, so if you kind of see the same things, that's why I'm going to go through and get everything set up for this dyno. The taillights are back on hold again for a while. It sucks, I know. I'm really eager to get all that stuff done. I want to get them done so bad, but it's just not happening, I guess. At least not yet. We're working on it still. So this dyno's happening next Wednesday, and while I'm there, I'm going to make a short video kind of going over the process, what I'm stressed about, what's worrying me, how they're handling things, what they're looking at, and kind of get an overall view on what the process kind of is. I've never dynoed a car. Everything I've thrown in's been stock, so this is a new experience for me, and I'm glad that I get to share it with all you guys. It's going to be different, and I hope to do it a lot more. Well, every mod now that I do with the car is going to need a dyno tune, so that's going to be a little learning experience, and I think that that's why I'm so nervous, is I've never done this before. I don't know how it's going to go. I don't know what they're going to be looking for. I know that I have to do a compression test on my cylinders to figure out what those are running at, and that's going to be a pain on top of installing new parts and getting everything ready. I got to go find some new oil so I can do an oil change before that. New spark plugs, you have to have new spark plugs before a dyno, and a full mod list. And once this dyno's done, I plan on doing a full car check, I guess, to go over everything that's been done to the car, everything that I have done, and maybe what I plan on doing, but definitely what's up with the car right now as it sits, or right then when it sits in the future. But I will do a car check and do a walk around. That way, if you want to do it, you can. I like my car set up how it is, but it's taken a lot of research and actually following other people or going by other people's examples that I've made the car kind of the way it is, how it is in certain ways. A lot of it's my taste, but some of it's taken off from other people. This is just a short little update. I wanted to mainly put a video out this week, giving you guys a heads up on the week to come and the next couple videos to come. So thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed today. I hope you're enjoying this series. I'm hoping you're enjoying watching my build progress. I'm having a blast doing it. It's a little cumbersome to try to film some of it sometimes when it's just go, go, go and you want to get stuff done, but that's part of the nature of the beast. I didn't realize when I started this YouTube adventure how much time it actually takes to film and edit. So gives me a new perspective on a lot of what other people are doing and how other people are doing their channels. It makes me want to do better. If you watched my last couple videos, I want to say sorry for the poor quality in A, the lights, and B, the volume. I got a new case for my phone. My phone was my primary video source that I was using at the time. I got a new case for it and it completely screwed a lot of things up. So I've recently fixed my DSLR and that's what we're currently on right now. So hopefully this is a little bit better. It's a little more awkward for me to kind of shoot with, but hopefully the quality will be a lot better. But this will be hopefully the new camera for this channel, and I'll be able to actually up the quality for this a lot. I do have to get a mic for it because right now it's a little on the touchy side, but we can do that down the road. Anyways, I wanted to say sorry for that and thanks for watching it and dealing with it. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. Give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think of it. Let me know what was your first dyno tune experience. What car was it with? Was it good or bad? What problems did you have was the main thing that I'm worried about. Still scared about problems that might happen, but I think I fixed everything that I need to. Those oil leaks, I know that they won't even really look at the car if it has any type of leaks. So that was the main reason for getting those oil leaks figured out and having things be perfect. It's not necessarily the oil leaking in the driveway or in the garage, it's being able to have the car mechanically sound for them to tune it. And saving money on the oil. The oil's expensive. Anyways, I'm going to quit rambling. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day and take it easy. Peace.